I'm Kirti Surya from TechLoop. Again, I'm back with another interesting topic, that is virtual reality. In this video, you will be know what actually a virtual reality is and the history of that and the types of virtual reality applications and advantages and disadvantages of the virtual reality. Before entering to the topic, if you not yet subscribed this channel, please do subscribe for more updates. Let's see what exactly a virtual reality is. Virtual reality means feeling the imaginary world rather than the real one. The imaginary world is a simulation running in a computer. Virtual reality is the term used for computer generated 3D environment that allows the user to enter and interact with the alternate realities. Basically, the definition of virtual means near and the reality means what we are experience as a human beings. When we talk about virtual reality, many of us think of science fiction films. However, the truth is that nowadays this technology completely blends in with our daily lives like video games, medical purpose, and education. Virtual reality is here to stay. Virtual reality is a computer generated environment with scenes and objects that appear to be real, making the user feels they are immersed in their surroundings. This environment is perceived through a device known as virtual reality headset or helmet. VR allows us to immerse ourselves in a video games as if we were one of the character, learn how to perform heart surgery and improve the quality of sports trainings to maximize the performance. Let's have a look on the history of the virtual reality. The very first idea of it presented by Iran Sutherland in 1965 makes that virtual world in the windows look real, sound real, feel real and respond realistic to the viewer's action. Although this may seem extremely futuristic, its origins are not as recent as we might think. In fact, many people consider that one of the first virtual reality device that is called Sensorama, a machine with a built-in seat that played 3D movies, gave off odors and generated vibrations to make experience as vivid as possible. The invention dates back as far as the mid 1950s. Subsequent technologies and software developments over the year brought with them as a progressive evolution both in devices and its interfaces. The Sensorama machine was invented in 1957 and patented in 1962 under patent of $350,870. Morton created a multi-sensory simulator. This was the first approach to create a virtual reality system. More than one person has been involved in the development of this technology. We have different types in virtual reality, that is immersive virtual reality, non-immersive virtual reality and the window on world virtual reality. Let's have a quick look on the types of virtual reality. Immersive virtual reality. Immersive virtual reality is nothing but being physically present in a non-physical world, which the elements of virtual environments that increases the immersiveness of the experience by maintaining the continuity of surroundings and the conformance of human vision, freedom of movement, and physical interaction and physical feedback. Now let's see non-immersive virtual reality. It is a large display but doesn't surround the user. It uses a conventional monitor to display the image of the world. And the final one is window on world virtual reality, which means a desktop based virtual reality involves in displaying a three-dimensional virtual on regular desktop display without use of any specialized movement tracking environment. That's enough about the theory that is projecting us into the future. Which sectors is virtual reality actually being used in today? In a medical sector, culture, education and architect are some of the areas that have already taken advance of this technology. Virtual reality allows us to cross boundaries that would otherwise be unimaginable. Let's have a quick look on real world examples. Let's take a media. Immersive journalism takes the user to the places where events have occurred with the live streaming on 360 degrees videos. And the next one is education. In classrooms, the use of virtual reality allows students to better retain knowledge and help students with learning difficulties. And the third one is entertainment. Users can enter a scene in a video game or a practice extreme sports without moving from their sofa. And the fourth one is architecture. Virtual reality helps architects to better visualization a space and present the project to the clients. And the fifth one is culture and arts. Some museums and galleries offer virtual visits or immersive experience to help understand the history and culture associated with each work. And the final one is military. The UK Ministry of Defence uses virtual reality for training the simulated military environment. And finally, the advantages of the virtual reality is virtual reality makes the education more easy and comfort. It enables the user to explore places. Though virtual reality user can experiment with an artificial environment. And now we will see the disadvantages of virtual reality. The equipment used in the virtual reality is very expensive. It consists of complex technology. In virtual reality, we can't move by our own like in the real world. Virtual environment system that place a user in a violent situations in some time. This is all about the virtual reality. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like, share and comment and subscribe the channel TechLoop.